Good morning, students of class 9th. In previous videos, we have discussed about some special kind of quadrilaterals as parallelogram, rhombus. In today's class, we will continue the topic quadrilaterals and prove some more properties of quadrilaterals. So, take your notebook and just write down. Prove that sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. It is a property, you know it since class 6, 7 or 8th, but in 9th you have to prove it, that the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So students, it is very easy to prove the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral 360 degree. Let us take a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a shape surrounded by 4 sides, plane figure surrounded by 4 sides. So let us take a quadrilateral ABCD with a base AB. ABCD is a quadrilateral. So in given we will write, given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. To prove is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Sum of interior angles is equal to 360 degree. We need one construction for the proof. The construction is join any one of the diagonals, AC or BD. Join AC or BD. So in construction we will write join diagonal AC. The approach behind this is that we will write the sum of interior angles of this triangle to be 180 degree and sum of interior angles of triangle ABC is also 180 degree. After that by equation first and second we will sum up them and the sum of interior angles of quadrilateral will be 360 degree. So in proof, first write down the name of the triangle. In triangle ABC. In ABC you can write angle CAB, this angle plus angle B plus angle BCA plus angle BCA is equal to 180 degree. CAB, angle B and BCA is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property, sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is equation first. Now in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC DAC, angle DAC plus angle D plus angle DCA is equal to 180 degree. The region is similar, so we need not to write it again. The region is same. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now we will add these two equations. Right hand side will be 360 degree. 360 degree angle BAC plus angle DAC will be angle A. Sum of these two angles is equal to angle A, and angle BCA DCA will make angle C, and B and D are taken separately. So add 1 and 2. Now first plus second. CAB plus DAC CAB plus DAC plus angle B plus angle D plus angle B plus angle D plus BCA DCA angle BCA plus angle DCA is equal to 180 plus 180 360. 180 plus 180 360. Now observe it. CAB plus DAC. CAB plus DAC is nothing but angle A. Angle A plus angle B plus angle D plus BCA plus DCA is equal to angle C. Hence proved. The sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Just write it down. Now we will take some problems based on the same property. All right, write it down. You can also write it by reversing the video. The first question related to this concept may be, just write the first question. The angles of a quadrilateral, the interior angles or angles, the interior angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio, the interior angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio, the interior angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:7:9. 3:5:7:9. Find the angles of the quadrilateral. Find the angles of quadrilateral. Try it by yourself, because you have the concept related to ratio, the concept related to sum of interior angles of quadrilateral. In any question of ratio, we consider the ratio to be x. So let the interior angles of quadrilateral be 3x, 5x, 7x and 9x. Let the interior angles of quadrilateral be 3x, 5x, 7x and 9x. Now we know that 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 9x is equal to 360 degree. Angle sum property. 9 7 16, 5 21, 24x is equal to 360 degree. X will be 360 upon 24, 12 2 times 34, 12 3 times 36 and 0. X is 15 degree. So by this x you can write all the angles of this quadrilateral. X is 15, then 3x is 3 into 15, 45 degree. 5x 5 into 15, 75 degree. 7x 7 into 15, 105, 105 degree. And last angle 9x 9 into 15, 135 degree. You can also cross check the answer by adding these four angles. 135 and 105 is 240, 75 and 45 is 120. 240 plus 120 is 360. So the answer is correct. I think it will be clear to all of you. A very easy question that is asked in exams. So now I can give you some more problems related to the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. In any quadrilateral the sum will be 360 degree. And write down the second question. An interior angle of a parallelogram, an interior angle of a parallelogram in abbreviation is written as two parallel lines and GM in exponent. An interior angle of a parallelogram is 3/4 of the other, is 3/4 of the other. Find the angles of parallelogram. Find the angles of parallelogram. An interior angle of a parallelogram is 3/4 of the other. Find the angles of parallelogram. So if we take a parallelogram with base equal to AB, ABCD is a parallelogram, then AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. And if there are two parallel lines, AB parallel to CD and AD is transversal, then sum of these two angles is 180 degree, co-interior angles. In case of parallelogram, you can say that sum of any two consecutive angles is 180 degree. Sum of any two consecutive angles is 180 degree. So let angle A is equal to x, or angle B is equal to x, or angle C is equal to x. You can consider any one of the angles to be x. Let angle B is equal to x. Then other will be, angle A will be 3/4 of B, 3/4 of x. In the given problem, it is written that an interior angle of a parallelogram is 3/4 of the other. 3/4 of the other. Now we know that sum of any two consecutive sum of any two consecutive angles of a parallelogram is 180 degree, then angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is 3/4 of x and angle B is x is equal to 180 degree. Take LCM. LCM is 4. 3x plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. On solving, 7x upon 4 is equal to 180 degree. 7x is equal to 180 into 4. X is equal to 180 into 4 upon 7. So on solving, we will get the answer. One angle is 180 into 4 upon 7, that is 720 upon 7. 720 upon 7, and other angle will be 3/4 of x. 3/4 of x. So 720 upon 7 on dividing, x is equal to 717. 717 and 0. 7 2 times 14. 102 complete 6 upon 7 degree. 102 complete 6 upon 7 degree. It is the value for angle B, and angle A is 3 upon 4 of x. 3 upon 4 of x is 720 upon 7. So 4 1s 4, 4 8 times 32, 0. 540 upon 7. 540 upon 7. 7 7 times 49. 7 7 times 49. 5 remaining. 7 7 times again 49. 1 remaining. So the angle will be 77 complete 1 upon 7 degree. 102 and 77 will be 179, and 6 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 will make 1. 179 plus 1 is 180 degree. So angle A will be of 77 complete 1 upon 7 degrees, and angle B that is equal to x and equal to 102 complete 6 upon 7 degree. So the values may be fractional, but you have to solve them. Now we will take the last question for this particular video. In this video we have discussed about angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So just write down the last question. Three angles of a quadrilateral three angles of a quadrilateral are three angles of a quadrilateral are 112 degree, 112 degree, 72 degree and 67 degree. Three angles of a quadrilateral are 112, 72 and 67 degree. Find the fourth angle. Find the fourth angle. It is the last question for this particular video. 112, 72, 67. Find the fourth angle. So do it by yourself, because the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So add these three and fourth angle to be x. These 3 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Then find the value of x. Let the fourth angle be x. Let fourth angle is equal to x. Then these three, 112, 72, 67 and plus x will be equal to 360 degree. So here 7 to 9 to 11, 1 carry, 7 7 14, 14 plus 1 15, 1 carry, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2, 251 plus x is equal to 360 degree. X will be 360 minus 251, that is 109 degree. So the fourth angle of this quadrilateral will be 109 degrees. I think that you will be able to understand the concept that the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, and on the same concept we have taken 2 or 3 questions. One question related to ratio, another question in which fourth angle is absent, and in one problem we have taken the angle sum property for parallelograms. So continue to watch these videos and note down them in your notebook. Thank you very much for watching this video.